Hi friends, I'm Saurav and you are watching your favorite YouTube channel, My Garden Care Tips. Friends, in previous video, I have shown you how to make clay for free of cost. And on this video, I will show you how to make beautiful garden decoration from clay at minimum cost. So watch the video till end and you also can make beautiful garden toys by yourself free of cost. So let's begin. Today I will make a bird from clay as you are seeing here. For that we required a glass of water, aluminium foil, a brush, a knife, any object to make eyes. I will use this end of this sketch pen. Any object to make clay flat. I am using this marker, and last one is obviously clay. I will put the link in description for how to make clay at your home. So let's start. First, we take the aluminium foil and make a bird shape like this. After that, take clay and roll it like this way. Then take the foil and start covering it with clay and give the shape of bird body slowly. You can also take help of a picture. You see, the shape is done. Now we add the beak like this. You can alter anything as required. Smooth it by hand. You see, the body of bird is ready now. Now we add wings. For that, take a small amount of clay and divide it into two equal parts. Then flat it and give the wing shape. Remember, you do not need to be perfect. Now I will repeat the process for the second wing. Now take the two wings and try to give them equal size and shape. Like this. You can see I will keep one wing on top of other wing to make sure. Now take water and brush it along the side of the bird's body and paste the wing like this way. Repeat the process for other wings. Now the wings are attached. We give some lines to the wings. I am using other end of brush. You can take any other object also. You can see it's done. Now we add the feet. Take small amount of clay and roll it in water drop shape. Then flat it like in this shape. Then cut and make claws with the help of knife like this way. Smooth the edges and it's ready. Again brush with water and paste the feet. Smooth it little bit. Now we will add eyes. Take small round shaped clay and press it like this. Add water to stick it. Then use sketch pen and give a mark for eyeball. Like this. You can see the eye is done. Now repeat the process for the second eye. Friends, you can see our bird is ready. The next step is to dry it. We will keep it under the sun unless and until all the moisture will gone. Make sure that no moisture is left. This is very important, friend, because if we paint in the moisture, the paint will not sustain for long. After drying, now we make it waterproof, as this is an outdoor decoration. For that we first paint it with weatherproof primer. I am using Asian Paint exterior wall primer. This primer is water soluble and also a waterproof. So for this bird I am taking 2 teaspoons of primer and mix it with 2 teaspoons of water. Means 50% of primer and 50% of water. Friend, this is mentioned in the instruction for using this primer. Now we paint the bird. Make sure you cover all areas, no gap left out, otherwise your toy will not sustain for long. After drying, now it's ready for paint. Friend, you can paint any color of your choice. I am taking yellow and violet combination for one bird and pink and green for other bird. Make sure friends, the paint you are using is waterproof. You can see the body and wings are done. Now we will do the beaks and feet. For that I am using brown color. Now we color the beak and feet with brown color. After done with beak and feet, now the last is eyes. Just take black color and paint the eyeball. Friends, our bird is ready. You can place it in your garden and decorate it. More videos are coming up for your plant and garden, so please subscribe, like, share, comment. I will meet you with my next upload. Till then, happy gardening.